Welcome to the Psychic Soldier and his exciting adventures growing up in the 19th century. He learns to fight as a soldier and acquires real psychic abilities to help him. These abilities are real, and the author has written about a realistic process for their development since he is a worldwide authority on Eastern spiritual development and psychic abilities. In the first part of the book, we learned about Tristan Morgan's early life and adventures with partially developed intuitive abilities. He meets masters of ancient wisdom and technology to learn from them. Tristan Morgan learns how to live many lifetimes. Later in the book, his adventures focus on dates 50 to 100 years into his future. The story is fictional, but it could be real. This is not pure fantasy. Tristan's adventures include India, China, Japan, the American West, the Civil War, World War I, and World War II, and challenges from aliens in the future. Find out how amazing life could really be for someone who is an immortal soldier.